YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, just like you read by the title, I am going to be reviewing the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. I went to ULTA because apparently ULTA had everything. I had gone to Target. Some of the items were sold out. Like for example, the shampoo and the conditioner were sold out and the gel. So I went to ULTA and they had pretty much all the line. So I grabbed the deep conditioning curl mask. I got the 3-in-1 conditioner, and this one is a leave-in, rinse out, or co-wash conditioner. Then I got the defining cream, and I got the gel and the mousse. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys half and half. I'm gonna be trying out the mousse on one side and the gel on the other side just to see what holds better. So a little background, these products are all free from sulfates, silicones, alcohol, and dyes, and also parabens. So for those of you who look out for that stuff, have no worries. This whole line is completely free of that. So I already washed my hair and I actually did the curl mask. First thoughts about this curl mask is first, I really don't like the packaging. I really don't like this, just because then in the shower this falls and then I'm like, oh my god. So yeah, it's pretty thick. So it's like any other curl mask that I use. I'm already struggling. So imagine in the shower. So you have to push it down and then it closes. I prefer a tub where I can open it and just put my fingers, grab it and close it, and that's it. This one, First of all, with the curl mask, it says deeply penetrates curl without weighing them down, and with superfood oil blend and sunflower seed extract. And it says that this is for all curl types. So the directions for this says to evenly apply on wet hair, massage through the ends, leave on hair for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse out. So what I did, I left it on for about 5 to 7 minutes in the shower, and I actually used my heated gel cap. And honestly, for the first impression for this is that I don't know, they're claiming to have super soft curls. Honestly, I have used other curl masks that leave my hair extremely soft, easy to detangle, and with this, honestly, I struggled a little bit. It didn't feel like it left my curls super soft. And I actually clarified with my clarifying shampoo, which the one that I always use, and it's my favorite. I always use that one. But overall, I just it's good. It's not, I don't think it's the best hair mask I've ever tried. And all this whole hairline smells like grapes, kind of like the Haichu. If you've ever had the Haichu candy, I think it smells like that. All this whole line smells like grape. 1 out of 5, I would rate it about a 3.5. I am going to be putting in the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this as a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to put a fair amount just because I want to test out the curl cream and the mousse and the gel. So yeah. So this one claims that is also for all curl types. And in the back, it says, let your curls do the talk, a lush 3-in-1 conditioner to seal in moisture and restore elasticity for hydrated curls your way. Lightweight, frizz-free. It says formulated with rice curl complex, a blend of rice, keratin, amino acids, and enzymes to hydrate, condition, and protect. So I already washed my hair. So my hair is pretty damped. I'm just gonna spray it with my handy dandy spray bottle. I don't like my hair soaking wet when I'm styling my hair. Okay, so I already applied in the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna put in the defining cream. This one claims to lock in moisture, deep freeze, and add shine, and to define your true curls. And this one also is formulated with the rice curl complex. So I'm gonna apply this to all my hair. So one thing I noticed about the leave-in conditioner, that actually this conditioner felt like it actually hydrated my curls. They felt way softer than using the mask. So honestly, like, I feel like if I would have just used this in the shower, this would have just hydrated my curls and made them soft. Because honestly, just by me putting this on, it made my curls so soft. Like, my hair feels really nice and soft. I don't know what it is about the mask. Maybe I have to give it another chance. But so far, I'm really liking this one. And it smells really good, guys. It smells like I said, like grapes. If you guys don't like fruity smells, then you're not gonna like this line, because the whole line smells like that. I just finished applying the defining cream, and with the leave-in conditioner, it made my hair so soft. Like, it's bomb. And it smells so good. I am really loving the smell. But yeah, so far I'm really liking even the 3-in-1 conditioner and the defining cream. So we're gonna see how it plays out. So now I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. So now I'm gonna try on mousse gel. So gel and mousse. Okay, so before I apply, I'm gonna apply the gel first. And this one claims to be frizz control sculpting gel. It says anti-frizz and flexible for a flake-free firm hold. So no flakiness with this. That's very important for me because I do not like flaky gels, especially when I wear black and I move my hair around. I don't want any flakes on my black t-shirts. So we're gonna test that one out for this one. From a 1 to a 5 hold, it holds on a 3. Okay, so have that in mind. If you're looking for a stronger hold, this is not a strong hold. This is gonna give you a medium hold. Okay, I'm gonna apply it now. And as I apply, I'm gonna brush with my DENMAN brush. If you guys wanna see how I brush my hair with my DENMAN brush, I will link my video so you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna speed the brushing process. So I'm gonna do my hair in sections just because I want to... Whoa. Just because I really want to distribute the gel throughout my whole hair. So, fair amount. Maybe a little bit more just because I have pretty long hair. Let me tell you, this hair takes... And let me tell you, ooh, that smells bomb. Just smells good, guys. I'm gonna massage it like I regularly do. And I apply a little bit more in the bottom just because I feel like, I don't know, my ends, the bottom of my hair doesn't really like hold. I don't know, my hair is really weird, guys. You guys hear that? So this is the gel side. I just finished putting the gel. Now I'm gonna apply the mousse on the other side. This is the curl activating mousse, and this one also is rated from 1 to 5. It's a 2, and it's soft touchable hold. Okay, so supposedly this is supposed to give you a little less hold than the gel, the mousse. And this one claims to lasting shine and definition, humidity protector for frizz-free curls. Okay, soft touchable hold for all curl types. If you have your hair colored, this is safe for color treated hair. Okay, So I'm gonna apply this on my hair. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god. This smells so bomb. Like, you want to eat this. Ooh. This actually made my curls really softer. I like that. So now I am done styling both sides, gel side, mousse side. So, thoughts? I already feel like I'm gonna like the gel side better just because my curls are starting to look a little more defined than the mousse side. But maybe I like the mousse side. It's probably gonna give me like the Tousle Me Softly, because before I used to use the Tousle Me Softly by Herbal Essences, and that one's bomb. I always used to like it just because it made my hair really nice and soft and with a nice hold. This mousse reminds me of that mousse. I can't wait to see the results, to see what actually happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair just how it is. So yeah, what I did notice was that as I was giving it a scrunch on the mousse side, I didn't really feel like it gave me that hold, just like the gel side. Like as soon as I scrunch, it'll hold the curl. On this side, I didn't really feel that. So I don't know. I want to see what happens on the mousse side, because I already feel like on this side I'm gonna like this side the best. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair. So I just feel like I like both sides, but I do prefer the gel side just because, as you can see more definition, more ringlets. And this side is just basically, it has hold and everything, but I just feel like this is like more like a beachy waves maybe. Maybe in the summer I could wear this hair type when I go to the beach, even though I really don't, it's not really my style. I don't really like this one. I feel like this will give me frizz, and by tomorrow, and I can't do a second day with this one. I just feel like maybe if you have looser curls, the mousse will work out for you fine. You'll get a light hold and you'll still get a little definition of curls, but not as much as the gel side. So my thoughts is that I prefer the gel side. Not so much this side. I don't hate it. It's not what I prefer. So maybe this helps you out, guys. But what I really did like about this line, my favorite product would be the conditioner. The conditioner, as soon as I put it on my hair, it gave me a lot of softness, more softness than the hair mask. My favorite ones are the conditioner, the 3-in-1 conditioner, the defining cream, and the gel. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys were thinking of buying this line or trying this line out. So remember, if you're looking for definition, go for the gel. If you're looking for just like a soft hold and more wavy, beachy curls, then go for the mousse. So I'm gonna see how it holds up. I'm gonna insert a clip later on. I'm gonna wear it like this for a couple hours, see what happens. Like this video and it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Alrighty, I wanted to give you a quick update on my hair. I had it for a couple of hours, and as you can see, the gel side kept all the curl definition, and it's so soft. Actually, both sides are completely soft. Like, I'm in love with even the mousse side. I got a little frizz, as you can see, but nothing too crazy that I didn't really like. I'm just really surprised how soft my hair is. But yes, I do prefer the gel side.